BGR began in the basement of my grandparents' home in 1972 with just 12 cases of tape. My grandfather, Albert, started the business when he was 62 years old. He started BGR because he believed that the better way to sell packaging materials was through relationships based on integrity, reliability, convenience, and exceptional service, values that are still at the core of what we do today.
Over the past 40 years, BGR has outgrown 3 buildings. Today, we have over 200,000 square feet of warehouse alone. Our business has continued to grow because we constantly change to meet our customers' needs. Areas like our custom printing and slitting department, our service department, and our packaging fulfillment area have all grown because we never say no to a customer. We think the combination of these products and services, along with our culture of building great relationships with our customers, are what really differentiate us from other packaging distributors out there today.
At BGR, we have a custom slitting department where we make our own printing plates for the logos of tape or labels. One of the advantages of having the log rolls and the slitters on site is it cuts down on our lead time to customers, cuts down on our lead time for manufacturers, it cuts down on the minimums that we have to buy. Usually, if we're buying a specialty tape like that, the volumes are much higher. So now I can buy one log roll and take this customer 1 or 2 rolls, another customer 1 or 2 rolls.
Customers rave about BGR service, just getting in there and talking with people, and they say, well, hey, we need some help right now. What can your service department do for us? And after we perform these services, it's kind of one of those things where the company's in-house techs and maintenance say, don't let those guys get away. We want to have them on hand always because they're a great resource. And really it's something BGR takes a lot of pride in. It's something at the core of BGR's business. This isn't something that we just added on recently. This is something that's been here from the start and is really a big part of who we are today.
My name is Patty Dubs. I am the supervisor for the packaging assembly department at BGR. Customers will order packaging components from us. Along with their samples, we will assemble and deliver where and when they need them. Because we are a packaging distributor, we have access to the packaging and equipment we need to get the job done quickly and efficiently. It is just one more thing BGR does to save our customers time and money. It's a commitment that we've made for the last 40 years, and we're going to continue to deliver that in the future.